Phenomena.
Yeah, I don't know when I met you last time. Are you here last time?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll pull up much as I can application. So she can, this is for her to release, right?
Yes.
Here's my comment. What I want to do is I want to put this information with it.
Okay.
Because what I asking is, Senator Elizabeth asking to advise the Dalai Lama to stop this segregation and religious persecution. For example, look at how segregates evidence here, like public note that people who have particular religion not allowed to go in a hospital or some even in public dumps. So those all information is here.
Okay.
So what it's saying is because United States government gives a lot of money to Dalai Lama.
Okay.
So we should attach that humanities must be obeyed and is respected because we, United States government and people in the United States really hold most important is human rights and religious freedom. That's our country homeland.
Yes.
So this is why we ask the Senator, hopefully she can let him let it. We'll resolve that problem.
Okay. I will make sure that this information stays with this together. So you see that I'm folding it now.
Okay.
And our office will handle it and hopefully get back to you soon, okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming out.
Так, нет, дедка,